Yep, that's it. It's not the greatest jack point, because that's the gas tank. Okay, go up a little bit. Let go, let go, let go. Hi, I'm Zaman. This is Best Hombre, and today we're looking at this MQB lifting kit from Volkswagen Atlas. So basically, I'm only able to lift it from the pinch welds. There are no other jacking points alternative, except there is an OEM version. But they essentially, in this kit, give me the opportunity to go in and put in these rubber grommets in these special locations, where you can then use a jack stand. You can jack it up by the pinch welds, and then use a jack stand on these locations. So here's the adapter kit and how much I paid for it. Here's the jack pad adapter from ECS Tuning, and here is the grommet. So this will go into the body of the Atlas. We'll remove where it goes. There's a little cover there, so you just put this inside, and then with your jack, stick this in there, and then it'll go up into the chassis, and you'll be able to leave a jack stand on this. So you'll be able to put a jack stand on here. So you'll use this to get it in there, because they only send you one of these. So I'm assuming you don't need the jack stand for this, only to install it. So let's see what happens. So under here, this thing is supposed to come off, and that's where this is supposed to go. So I'll pop this off here. Okie doke. And then this guy's supposed to go in there, and it just stays there. So it's in there, and it seems as though this is just needed for installation. Once this is flush and seated properly, you can just use the jack right on here, or a jack stand. So we're doing the passenger side now. I just took this out and I mount this to the jack. The only way I've been able to do this, because I started with the jack already, car already lifted in the front, I was doing an oil change, is to get underneath it and put the jack through the front there. And if just take a close look at this hole, it's the frame under there. That's steel inside there. Although it's surrounded by plastic, it is steel. So that's what this is going to go inside of. So now, success. So the jack is still here. It's not connected though, and the full weight of the car, as you can see, the full weight of the car is now on the jack stand, on the grommet, without the adapter. I wouldn't leave it here long periods maybe, but definitely for an oil change, something quick, this looks great. And I do leave this here just in case, so give it a quick, plan B. So plan A, plan B, always have yourself a backup. Now this is my dad's old Sears 2.5 ton that's been around for frickin' forever. Our beautiful new Daytona Super Duty, and the Pittsburgh Racing Jack, which is basically pointless at this point because it doesn't get high enough anywhere on this car, but good for little cars. Because I forgot to hit the record button, I was able to just lift the car off of that secondary jack point without the adapter plate. And it seems like this is just for installation. Put the now the jack's kind of the car is lifted by that point, and you get much more clearance. You know, and it's just, we're just talking about safety here, because the undercarriage covers are not blocked by this jacking point either, so you can get on there before you get any of the covers off, which is honestly the whole point of this. So check it out. ECS Tuning's jack adapter kit. It's on sale for the holidays. Definitely, if you have one of these, I would recommend it. It seems to be worth it for me. So now I'm just trying to install, this is the driver's side rear section next to the resonator. Yeah. That's where this connection point is for the jack point on the Atlas. So maybe the other one is closer to the middle, and I didn't see it. Can you bring the jack? This jack point's actually closer to the middle of the car. So actually, if you wanted to, you can get under here and jack up the whole left side of the car, driver's side of the car, from the center jack point, and then just put jack stands under the front and the rear, and then go on the other side and do the same thing, or do both at the same time. That's it, let go. Do it again, a little more.
What's the stick in the thing?
This one?
Yeah.
This is just the installation piece. You'd use it to install because it's rubber. So you have to push it in with the metal.
Then?
No, keep going. Up, up. Okay, there you go. Go. I think that's good. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, now it's good. Let's see. The other one was here somewhere. Wow. I think I found it. Huh? Yeah, I found it, but it's Yep, that's it. Okay. But it's surrounded by plastic, so it's not the greatest jack point. Because that's the gas tank. Maybe just for jack stands. Okay, go up a little bit. Okay, up a little more. Wait, wait, wait. Nope, down a little. Okay, up a little bit. Okay, push. Okay, go. Let go, let go, let go. This jack's too big. Let go. We gotta bring the little one. Okay. So I think this will do it. Okay, go.
Huh?
Wait. Go, go. You're in. Take it to the ceiling. There's the cover, sealed cover. Alright. Let's take a look. Take it down. I can only see when you put it down.
You put the emergency brake in the car?
Yeah.
It's in, no?
Yeah, that one's good. There's no gaps.
Huh?
It's good, no gaps.
Okay.